If you want to get best hair masks, according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have Arvazallia Hydrating Argan Oil Hair Mask. Arvazallia Hydrating Argan Oil Hair Mask is a popular product designed to rejuvenate and restore dry, damaged, and brittle hair. It contains high-quality ingredients such as argan oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil, which work together to nourish, hydrate, and strengthen hair from the roots to the tips. I have used this hair mask several times, and I must say that I am impressed with the results. The first thing I noticed was how soft and silky my hair felt after just one use. It also looked much shinier and healthier, which I attribute to the argan oil's moisturizing properties. The mask also helped to reduce the frizz and flyaways in my hair, leaving it more manageable and easy to style. The application of this hair mask is straightforward, and it does not require much time or effort. I simply apply a generous amount of the mask to my damp hair, comb it through to ensure even distribution, and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I then rinse it off thoroughly with warm water and style my hair as usual. Overall, I would highly recommend Arvazallia Hydrating Argan Oil Hair Mask to anyone looking for an affordable and effective solution to dry, damaged, or brittle hair. It is a great product that delivers on its promises and will leave your hair looking and feeling amazing. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Olaplex Hair Perfector. Olaplex Hair Perfector is a popular hair treatment designed to repair and strengthen damaged hair. This product is especially beneficial for those who frequently color, bleach, or heat style their hair, as it helps to prevent breakage and split ends. I have been using Olaplex Hair Perfector for several months now, and I must say that I am very impressed with the results. My hair feels much stronger, healthier, and more resilient than it did before I started using this product. I have noticed a significant reduction in breakage and split ends, and my hair looks and feels much smoother and shinier. The application of this product is straightforward and does not require much time or effort. I simply apply a generous amount of the product to my damp hair, comb it through to ensure even distribution, and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I then rinse it off thoroughly with warm water and style my hair as usual. One thing I appreciate about Olaplex Hair Perfector is that it is suitable for all hair types, including chemically treated and natural hair. It is also vegan and cruelty-free, which aligns with my personal values. Overall, I would highly recommend Olaplex Hair Perfector to anyone looking to improve the health and appearance of their hair. It is a great investment for those who regularly color, bleach, or heat style their hair, and it delivers on its promises to repair and strengthen damaged hair. The number 3 position is held by K18 Leave-In Repair Hair Mask. K18 Leave-In Repair Hair Mask is a popular hair treatment designed to repair and strengthen damaged hair. This product uses innovative bioactive peptide technology to penetrate the hair cortex, which helps to rebuild and strengthen the hair from the inside out. I have seen remarkable results since I started using K18 Leave-In Repair Hair Mask. My hair looks and feels healthier, stronger, and more resilient. I have noticed a significant reduction in breakage and split ends, and my hair is much easier to manage and style. One of the things I appreciate about this product is that it is easy to use. I simply apply a small amount of the product to my damp hair, comb it through to ensure even distribution, and leave it in. There is no need to rinse it off, which makes it a convenient and time-saving option for those with busy lifestyles. Another great feature of K18 Leave-In Repair Hair Mask is that it is suitable for all hair types, including chemically treated and natural hair. It is also cruelty-free, which aligns with my personal values. Overall, I highly recommend the K18 Leave-In Repair Hair Mask to anyone looking to improve the health and appearance of their hair. It is a great investment for those who regularly color, bleach, or heat style their hair, and it delivers on its promises to repair and strengthen damaged hair. With regular use, this product can help you achieve healthy, strong, and beautiful hair. Next at number 4 we have Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask. Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask is a popular hair treatment designed to hydrate and nourish dry and damaged hair. This product contains high-quality ingredients such as argan oil, shea butter, and coconut oil, which work together to penetrate the hair shaft, improve elasticity, and promote a healthy shine. After using Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask, my hair felt soft, smooth, and moisturized. The product has a thick, creamy consistency that coats the hair strands, making it feel instantly nourished and hydrated. I was impressed by how easily it was to apply and how well it distributed throughout my hair. One thing I appreciate about this hair mask is that it is suitable for all hair types, including color-treated hair. It is also easy to use, and it only takes a few minutes to apply. After shampooing, I apply a generous amount of the mask to my hair, comb it through to ensure even distribution, and leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes before rinsing it off thoroughly. Overall, I would highly recommend Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask to anyone looking for an effective solution to dry and damaged hair. It is a great product that delivers on its promises and will leave your hair feeling soft, smooth, and moisturized. With regular use, this hair mask can help you achieve healthy, beautiful hair that looks and feels amazing. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Matrix Total Results Miracle Creator. Matrix Total Results Miracle Creator is a versatile hair product that offers multiple benefits for all hair types. This product is designed to moisturize, protect, detangle, and add shine to the hair, all in one convenient formula. I have been using Matrix Total Results Miracle Creator for several months now, and I am impressed by how well it works. It has become an essential part of my hair care routine, and I use it every time I wash my hair. The product has a lightweight consistency that does not weigh down my hair or leave any residue. One of the things I appreciate about this product is that it is easy to use. I simply spray it onto my damp hair, comb it through to ensure even distribution, and style my hair as usual. I also appreciate that it offers so many benefits, as it helps to protect my hair from heat damage, detangles it, and adds shine. Another great feature of Matrix Total Results Miracle Creator is that it is suitable for all hair types, including color-treated hair. It is also affordable, which makes it a great option for those on a budget. Overall, I would highly recommend Matrix Total Results Miracle Creator to anyone looking for a versatile hair product that delivers multiple benefits. It is a great investment for those who want to simplify their hair care routine and achieve healthy, shiny, and beautiful hair. With regular use, this product can help you achieve the hair of your dreams. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.